is Adrienne with Herrick District Library. I want to teach you some special ways of breathing, and sometimes it helps to think of some things that are visual, that we can kind of pretend, that we can imagine. So this comes from the book Breathe With Me. The first breath I want to teach you is the rainbow breath. So you see how in the picture she looks like she's making a rainbow with her arms, and we're going to do that too. So our rainbow, we first start off nice and tall like a tree, and our hands go down by our sides like this, like a pencil. And then we are going to put our palms up. These are your palms. We're going to bring them up. Inhale. I like to inhale through my nose and touch them together like you're at the top of the rainbow. And then when you breathe out through your mouth, you made a rainbow. You bring your arms down just like that. And if you do that rainbow breathing 3 times, it'll make you feel so good. Let's try it one more time. So arms down, neck up, back nice and straight. One more time. Did you see my rainbow? Yes.